what we have here is an Epson scanner. It used to be quite decent. It is now not working. What we have here is one firecracker, and that is firecracker number 2, slightly bigger. And we're going to just see what happens when you mix the two. Right, so it's a very simple premise. We light it and push it in and then run. And I will stand back for this part as I don't have a helmet on. Yeah, you didn't push it in. Okay.
That was a waste of time. Zero damage. I actually look like a bit of Nancy there. I need to redeem myself somehow.
Okay.
Not bad.
Wow.
Didn't too much though.
No, but what did it actually? It did pop it open, didn't it?
Popped it open.
I'm thinking we should maybe go with a larger explosive.
A large one.
Yeah.
I think maybe the option.
There's no point stopping at this point. Alright, let me get something larger. So we now have two new sizes. One slightly larger, and one, oh my god, that's not going to fit.
No. No.
So,
Could open that up.
yeah, let's open it up. And I will retreat. Right.
I gave it 100% kick-ass rocket.
After much deliberation, we've decided to use the last one as well. Wow. It's not as big as I thought it would be compared to the other one. It was almost a little bit disappointing.
I think pound for pound the one before was actually better.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no new damage. It did blow it clean off, to be fair.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice one.
Alright, back to work.